Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you built your site with Hostinger Website Builder and want to accept Google Pay payments in 2026, here is the straight truth, no fluff. Google Pay doesn't connect directly to Hostinger Website Builder, it works indirectly through Stripe using Hostinger's native payment system. The good news, when everything is set up correctly Google Pay works automatically, no code, no hacks, no stress. Below is the only supported and professional way to connect Google Pay on Hostinger Website Builder in 2026. Okay, so first thing first, create or log into your Stripe account. Okay, so you have to log into your Stripe account first. It linked to everything. Okay, so complete business verification, activate your account, very important. So Google Pay will not work on unverified Stripe account. So connect Stripe to Hostinger Website Builder. Okay, so log into Hostinger HPanel websites, tap websites, go to edit website. So you have to have an upgraded account. Choose Stripe, click connect Stripe, log into Stripe and authorize Hostinger. Connection confirmed equals Stripe active. Okay, so log into your Stripe dashboard. Okay, settings, tap settings after you log in, find Google Pay and enable it. It's usually on by default. Stripe automatically handles domain verification, HTTPS required. Okay, so you don't need to register separately with Google. Okay, so add product or services. So Google Pay will only appear if there is something to pay for. In Hostinger Website Builder, add product or add services, set price, currency, and checkout enabled. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.